Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we have a game changer in the world of monitor mounts. If you're looking for the best monitor wall mount available in the market, you're in the right place. Introducing the Ergo Focus Monitor Wall Mount. The Ergo Focus Monitor Wall Mount is a versatile and high-quality solution for anyone wanting to optimize their workspace. Whether you're a professional looking to enhance productivity or a home user seeking to create more desk space, this monitor mount has got you covered. With the Ergo Focus Monitor Wall Mount, you can extend and retract your screen up to 21.6 inches. It allows for tilt adjustments up to plus 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees, swivel up to plus 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees, and a full 360 degrees rotation. Say goodbye to neck, shoulder, and back pain, and hello to your perfect viewing angle. This gas spring monitor wall mount is designed to securely hold monitors ranging from 13 to 32 inches and supports weights from 4.4 to 19.8 pounds. It's compatible with VESA 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm, making it suitable for a wide range of flat and curved computer screens. The wall-mounted design of this monitor arm frees up valuable desk space, giving you more room for other essentials. Plus, it comes with cable management options to keep your workspace tidy and organized. Unlike desk mounts, the Ergo Focus VESA wall mount provides a stable and secure option. No need to worry about damaging your expensive desk. However, remember not to install it into drywall alone. Always use appropriate anchors or wall studs. Setting up this computer monitor wall mount is quick and easy. It comes with all the necessary hardware and a clear instruction manual. You'll have it attached to your wall and adjusted to your desired position in no time. The Ergo Focus Monitor Wall Mount is available on Amazon at an exclusive price. You can grab this fantastic deal for only $26.59. A 41% discount from the typical price of $44.99. Plus, there's an additional 10% coupon available for Prime members. So there you have it, folks, the Ergo Focus Monitor Wall Mount, the best monitor wall mount on the market. If you're ready to enhance your workspace, free up desk space, and enjoy ergonomic flexibility, this is the perfect solution for you. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.